Git cherry pick is a way to take the changes from one commit and apply them on top of another branch. Under the hood, Git is not moving commits around. Instead, it is creating a brand new commit that introduces the same changes as the one you picked, but with a different hash and a different parent. Imagine you have a repository where the main branch has commits A, B, C, and D. A feature branch was created after commit B, and that feature branch has commits E and F. Now let's say you are on main, and you want the changes from commit F without merging the whole feature branch. When you run git cherry pick F, Git first looks at the parent of F, which is E. It calculates the difference between E and F. That difference is the patch that commit F introduced. Git then tries to apply that patch on top of your current commit, which in this case is D. If the patch applies cleanly, Git writes those changes to your working directory and index, and then creates a new commit, let's call it F prime. This new commit has the same message and usually the same author as the original F, but it has a new parent and a new hash. Your history now looks like A, B, C, D, F prime on main, while the feature branch still has E and F. If the patch does not apply cleanly because the same lines were changed in another commit, Git stops and marks a conflict. You then resolve the conflict, stage the fix, and continue the cherry pick. If it's too messy, you can abort and cancel the operation. You can also cherry pick a range of commits. In that case, Git replace them one by one as new commits on top of your branch. So in summary, Git cherry pick works by taking the difference introduced by a commit, applying that patch to your current branch tip, and creating a brand new commit with a new hash. It's a powerful way to pull specific fixes or features across branches without merging the whole branch. If this helped you understand Git cherry pick, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of developer tools.